Today we'll understand the basics of angle measurement, which we need for understanding trigonometry in detail. We are familiar with the term angle. Angle is a measure of the rotation of a given ray about its initial point. What does this mean? Let's draw a ray OA. O is the initial point of ray OA. We rotate ray OA to this position. Let's call this new position of the ray OA as OA'. The initial position of ray OA is called the initial side, and the final position of ray OA' is called the terminal side. So OA is the initial side and OA' is the terminal side. We can also call this initial point as the vertex. There is an angle subtended between the two rays. Notice that we rotated ray OA in the counterclockwise direction to get ray OA'. We can also rotate ray OA in the clockwise direction to get the terminal side as OA', like this. So the initial side is OA and the terminal side is OA'. When we go counterclockwise from the initial side to the terminal side, the angle measurement is positive. And when we go clockwise, the angle measurement is negative. So here, the angle subtended is positive and here it's negative. Now let's understand what is the unit of measure for angles. We will be studying 3 units of measurement in this video along with their symbols. The most common unit of measure is degrees. 1 degree is represented as follows. This symbol is a small raised circle. Let's understand how to measure the angle of rotation. We know that 1 full rotation of the initial side is 360 degrees. Do you notice something interesting? Yes, the initial side coincides with the terminal side. It's hard to differentiate which ray is OA and which ray is OA'. Look at this highlighted part. We can also say that 360 degrees is 1 full rotation. Now, if 360 degrees is 1 full rotation, then what is 1 degree? Yes, 1 degree is 1/360th of a full rotation. But wait, is degree the smallest unit of measure for angles? Well, no. There are smaller units of measure. They are called minute and second. 1 minute is represented as follows. Look at this symbol. It's called prime. So 1 minute is written as 1 prime. And 1 second is written as follows. This symbol is called double prime. Similarly, 1 second is written as 1 double prime. So we are now familiar with the symbols for degree, minute and second. But what relationships do they share? Well, 1 degree is made up of 60 minutes and 1 minute is made up of 60 seconds. Having understood this, can you tell me the relationship between degree and second? That's right. 1 degree is equal to 3,600 seconds. Why do we need these smaller units? With smaller units of measurements like minute and second, we can express an angle more accurately. So an angle theta measuring 50 degrees, 25 minutes and 10 seconds would be written as follows. And this is definitely more accurate than just 50 degrees. We are familiar with a common tool to measure angles in terms of degrees. I'm sure you have it in your geometry box. Well, that's right. I'm talking about the protractor. And we use it to measure angles in the geometry class. But how do we measure minutes and seconds? As a matter of fact, there are specially designed measuring devices to measure angles of objects that are too small to be measured by regular inspection. Such tools are used commonly in the manufacturing industry. Well, this discussion helped us understand angle measurement in terms of degrees, minutes and seconds. But can angles also be expressed in terms of other units of measurement? Let's find that out in our next video.